Hi, welcome to my craft room. Are you looking for something to 3D print for Easter? Let me show you what I have. If you're looking for a cute little game for Easter, I have an Easter egg themed ring toss game that you can 3D print. It's really quick and easy to set up and can be customized to how you want to play. There's different sizes and shapes of Easter egg rings that can help make the game easier or harder or just more fun. I recommend printing the rings in TPU if you can. I also designed a decorative egg that you can use for decor. I've also included a print profile to print this in TPU, and it has a hole in the bottom to be compatible with the squeaker. This uses the squeaker from Spool Designs, which I have also linked in my model description. I designed these egg-shaped beads that can be used as a craft activity to make bracelets or necklaces or even earrings for Easter. I've designed an Easter egg-shaped box that you can use as a gift box. I've designed it in a way that you can customize it yourself in Bamboo Studio. So you can personalize it with a name for the recipient to make it an extra special gift. I currently have 2 different configurations for the inside of the box where you can have one big space to hold a larger gift, one that has 3 compartments, so you can put things like different colored beads or even cash. So what do you think about these designs? Will you be printing them for Easter? You can follow me on Makeroll as KCD3D, and you can find the models I shared in this video in my Easter collection. Enjoy!